Let me tell you something that might save you months of learning AI. You are probably learning AI in the wrong order. Seriously, right now, if you are a developer trying to move into AI, you will see the same advice everywhere. Like first learn Python, then LLMs, then RAG, then agent, then MCP. Learn these framework, learn that framework. And after a few months, you have watched hundreds of tutorial almost. But you are still sitting there thinking, okay, now what I am supposed to do actually, what I'm supposed to build. And I think that's the real problem. It's not that you are not learning enough, you are learning without a path. Because if you have already spent years building software, you are not just starting from the zero. You already understand APIs, you understand application architecture, you understand state management, you understand asynchronous operations, you have debugged real production problems. You are probably deal with performance issues, scaling, users, and all the messy stuff that comes with building real software. That experience doesn't suddenly becomes a useless because AI came along. The mistake is trying to learn AI as if you are a complete beginner. So instead, you should be asking a different question, not what AI technology should I learn next, but what AI capabilities should I add to the engineering skills I already have. For an example, you already know APIs. Now learn how to work with LLM APIs. You understand search. Now learn RAG. You understand functions and application logic. Now learn tool calling. You understand application architecture. Now learn how AI applications are designed differently. See the difference. You are not throwing away your existing career. You are adding another layer to it. And that's exactly why I created this. It's called the Frontend Developer to AI Developer Blueprint. I didn't want to create another massive AI course with hundreds of things you need to learn. I wanted to create something much simpler, a path. What should you learn first? What actually matters? And what you can skip for now? And most importantly, how does all of this connect to the engineering skills that you already have? Inside the blueprint, I map the progression for you, like APIs to LLM APIs, search to RAG, functions to tool calling, application architecture to AI application architecture. And then I take it further into things like embedding, prompt engineering, AI application development, and building practical AI powered applications. So, if you are a front end developer, software engineer, or just an experienced developer who keeps looking at AI and thinking, I know how to build software, but I don't know what I should learn next. I have built this specifically for you. You can check out the front end developer to AI developer blueprint from the link below, and hopefully, instead of spending the next 6 months jumping from AI tutorial to another one, you will finally have a path to follow.